Lesson 2. Counting and Quantities. The Spanish way of counting was used in the Philippines for 300 years before Americans came in 1898. Because of this, Filipinos have at least 4 ways of counting and quantifying: native Tagalog, Spanish, English, and Taglish. Taglish combine English and Tagalog. Today, we'll talk about the native Tagalog way of counting. Counting by 1, 0 to 10. 0. Wala. 1. Isa. 2. Dalawa. Dalwa. 3. Tatlo. 4. Apat. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. Counting by 1, 11 to 20. In counting 11 to 19, you say labing and add the numbers 1 to 9. 11. Labing isa. 12. Labing dalawa. 13. Labing tatlo. 14. Labing apat. 15. Labing lima. 16. Labing anim. 17. Labing pito. 18. Labing walo. 19. Labing siyam. 20. Dalawampu. Counting by 10, 10 to 90. Now that you can count 1 to 9 in Tagalog, we can look at counting to 100. The Tagalog word for 10 is pu. We use the Tagalog for 1 to 9, use the connector na in the middle, then append pu. For example, 10 is 1 of 10, and so we say as isa na pu. Here is 10 to 90, counting by 10. 10. 1 of 10. Isa na pu. 20. 2 of 10. Dalawa na pu. 30. 3 of 10. Tatlo na pu. 40. 4 of 10. Apat na pu. 50. 5 of 10. Lima na pu. 60. 6 of 10. Anim na pu. 70. 7 of 10. Pito na pu. 80. 8 of 10. Walo na pu. 90. 9 of 10. Siyam na pu. Fluent Tagalog speakers do not say all the syllables of these numbers. Here are the shorter ways of saying these numbers. 10. Isa na pu. 10. 20. Dalawa na pu. 20. 30. Tatlo na pu. 30. 40. Apat na pu. 50. Lima na pu. 50. 60. Anim na pu. 70. Pito na pu. 70. 80. Walo na pu. 80. 90. Siyam na pu. Using at to combine numbers for counting. 21. Dalawa na pu at isa. 22. Dalawa na pu at dalawa. 23. Dalawa na pu at tatlo. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. Using contraction for easier counting. As you can tell, there are more syllables in Tagalog than in English. You can take out one syllable by contraction. Fluent Tagalog speakers often combine pu and at into a single syllable. Thus, 21 to 29 can be counted this way. 21. 21. 21. 22. 22. 22. 23. 23. 23. 24. 24. 24. 25. 25. 25. 26. 26. 26. 27. 27. 27. 28. 28. 28. 29. 29. 29. Although we have saved one syllable, we're still using too many syllables. We can shortcut dalawa na, which is 4 syllables, into dalawang, which is 3 syllables. 21. 21. 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. Okay, we have removed 2 syllables without losing the meaning. At the same time, you are learning the inner secret of fluent Tagalog because the techniques we're learning here are used in Tagalog in many ways. This time, we will take out one more syllable by saying dalawa, which is 2 syllables instead of dalawa, which is 3 syllables. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. Now we have removed 3 syllables without losing the meaning. There is another step we want to do to be a fluent Tagalog speaker. Instead of saying wang in dalwang, we can say wam as in dalwam. There is nothing wrong in saying wang, it's just that the wam is easier to say because you can close your mouth sooner. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. Finally, we clean up by removing apostrophe and space. This does not change the way we say it, but it matters to Tagalog readers. This is the part you should memorize. 21. 22. 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This is the end of Lesson 2.